Hello again. I just want to put non-explosive view as well. I just copy this view and paste it here and change the configuration. I'll delete the bombs. So I would like to put it here. I can have this smaller. So 120 is fine. 1 to 20 scale is fine for that. This looks better. So you need to use your white space evenly. So trying to make everything look even. I'll save this, and this was my general arrangement dimensioning. You should also do overalls here as well. Save this. So for the next sheet, I will do female telescope subassembly. First, I open my part. It's very simple. I don't need to create any explosive view, but it's totally up to you. If you like to do that, you should do that. This is my female telescope. Refresh that. This is my front view, top view, side view, isometric view. Right. If you press S, you open a window here, so you can just select your commands. That's what I do, and right click. So on the isometric view with fonts and all other standard views, we don't want any tangent edge, but we want hidden lines. On the isometric view, I don't want any hidden lines. It makes it look messy. So before I dimension that, I just want to put my center mark and center line. It seems like I don't need my top view again. So all I want to do is delete that. I need my bill of material, which is necessary. Then you need to have a table to show people what you have in your assembly. Put it here. Same as the other one. So we need to fill all this, but I don't want to touch that for now. I just want to show you the dimensions. If you press S and go balloon, what I have here, main member, I've got this stopper plates and I have these fasteners. I want to show you something here. If you right click on your balloon and add stock, you can just basically add your other fasteners as well. I do that because they all go together. You can sort it. Magnetic line, just put them on the same line and make it 150 degrees. It's either 30 degrees or 150 degrees because your isometric view is tilted by 30 degrees. That's how we should do. Just dimension that. Can do from here to here. You can show this as well. Just want to position them in the middle. But actually, I remember now we need to tell a workshop that they need to put these two on after they insert male telescope. I will write that on the notes here. You can either do just like a note here, I don't know, or put this note on that, which is copper plate number 2. Yeah, it's better to put it here. Note, install item number 2 after inserting male telescope in the female telescope. These are critical notes. You have to make your drawing crystal clear so that everyone can understand, everyone can work on it. It's actually better like this way, or maybe under, delete, and make it look tidy. Save this. Just need to dimension that. You can say that, but in this case I would put this dimension inside a bracket, which is a reference dimension now, and 1540 is better to the overall dimension actually. I'm not gonna fill this table for now. I just wanna show you how I would detail the single members and how actually after this sheet I need to do cut list drawing, which will be my male telescope, main member, female telescope, sorry, my cut list. So you need to right click on it and create bounding box and go to properties, just put a weight in there, mesh, description made material, so everything is there. Same as this one here, just put weight in there, and then SolidWorks mesh, save it. Kilogram is better unit for us. I just go back to my drawing. So now same as I do on the other drawing sheet, just put my front view and project my side view. You can do isometric view or top view. Yeah, isometric view is better. I don't need tangent edge. I need tangent edge with font here, and I need my hidden lines, but not on the isometric view. It's because it makes it look messy, but sometimes you want hidden lines on isometric view. Sometimes. So you need to do well-known cut list. I've got a cut list template as well. I've created another cut list template. Not sure where it is. Yep, add mat. Click OK. Oh wow. Yep. That's my overall length, but you need to put it on the edge in the corner here. Actually, it didn't work. It's because if you do it from there to here, you'll see some gap between the actual line and your dimension line. That's how it should look. So you can call this overall. Oops. There's other thing actually I would like to do here is I want to delete this front view. I want to show you something different. Just want to section my side view. And I would like to show you details here. Just want to change the edge. I want to call it A section 1. I got the section because I'm gonna get weld notes here on this corner. Go to annotations, go your weld symbols, and I want to do can be all around fillet weld, 6mm fillet weld. Yeah. And this is typical to the other side. So now I can just also I like to give leather here with leather. Sorry, it looks better. It's easy to find. Just want to give dimensions here now. It's good to give all dimensions here as well. Of course, also typical. I'll save this. Cut list table tells you about the members, what they are. This is 150 by 150 by 6 SHS. It is 1500 mm long and 39 kg. Another plate is 250 by 250 and 10 mm thick. It's 3 kg weight, and it has two of them, two plates and one SHS. That's how you do your cut list drawing as well. I'll just want to save this and go to the next sheet. So now this is a bit different. So I need to get my model, female telescope. So now I'm not gonna get this view like that. So I will click on it and select bodies. I'll select only this body. I will detail only SHS. Sorry, I need to and also need a side view. Yep, so SHS. I would do center to center. Actually, give all the dimensions on one side. It will look neat and tidy. That's how we do. Of course, we don't want any 0.0. I need to edit my template. It's not fully complete yet. This is also critical. You need to show thickness as well, because sometimes they might order wrong thickness. We want 6 mm thick. One more thing, just put a center line here because there's a hole. Yep. It's a bit big, make it smaller. Yeah, shorter lines is better. Also, it's good to balloon these so you don't mix it, and it's good to have quantity. I will just detail the other one, but I like to give a different item number. Like 100 and 101, so I don't mix it with the other members because they all have the same item number. It didn't change. Yeah, need to do it from here. That was a mistake. 101 should change now. Didn't change. Item number. Do not change that. I don't know. There is some bug going on. It should change actually. It doesn't change. If I write 111. Yeah, it's item number here. It doesn't change. That's okay. Other one, so model, double click. You can just select body here. Click on the plate. Click OK. So for plate, you just put this one here, front. You probably come across with this type of bug. This is SolidWorks, unfortunately. So all you need to do, press and hold Control and Q. If it doesn't fix it, change your view type. It will fix it. Just quickly dimension that. A simple one. It's good to dimension between them as well. And select all of these. Yeah. I'm saying once again, I have to update my template. And also give all the center marks, center lines. This is thickness, 10 mm. I just want to balloon that as well on these sides. Yep, that's how you should do it. You also need to put an annotation here, under annotation here. I haven't created it yet. All you need to do is just make sure your views are fully dimensioned, the dimensions are complete. I'll need to do radius here and also this radius as well. Of course, they are typical without the radius there. That's how you dimension your cutlass members. That's how you show your cutlass and your weld details. That's your subassembly. That's your GA dimensioning. Just general arrangement. The purpose of dimensioning GA is giving the overall dimensions, because sometimes logistic companies need your dimension for your item. That's your top GA page. I'll just save this. I'm closing the video now. I will see you in another video. Thank you.